What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2006 Harley Davidson Sportster. It's 883 and it's got the ape hangers on it. Let's take a quick walk around this thing. Just got this bike in, and it is it's in pretty decent shape for the year. It's got quite a few miles on it. It's been ridden pretty hard. This back tire here has got plenty of life left on it. Got your brake light and tail light and your signals here and here. Up on this rear fender, I don't see anything, any scratches or dings. There's obviously this here from the passenger seat. There's some light scratching in through here, just like maybe like they would get buffed out. Not even scratches. They're not into the paint, but just some like scuffs. Looking pretty good along here. There's your signal looking good. It is belt driven. There's your belt. Got the solid wheels on the back. And got the spoke wheels up front. There is the side cover. Not much there as far as to report. Got the exhaust here. Got the exhaust wrap on it. I don't know what that guy was doing with that, but that's the way it is. Got your rear peg, rider peg, rear brake. In here in the motor bay, looking pretty decent. Air cleaner looks good to go. Looks like that was replaced. On the tank, not a lot of marks or anything on the tank. Again, a little bit of that light, like scuff marks. Don't know, maybe if you clean it with a little bit too rough of a rag or something like that. But the bike does have like 30-some thousand miles on it, so it's lived a life, plenty of life left in it, but it was not just put in the garage and let there to stay in perfect shape. Coming here on the forks. Forks looking decent, got some markings there. Got a little bit of like a rust starting right there on the top of the forks. Your front signals all the way up top to the triple tree, looking okay. Here on the front fender, there's a mark right there at my finger. There's another mark right there. Another one there. Just like some stone chips, looks like. They're not rusting, but they are marked up a little bit. The rest of the fender looks to be in decent shape. I'll spin this thing around and check out the other side. So on the other side of the tire, looking good. See the brake rotor. Again, decent amount of life left on that front tire. And this fork is looking good. Up along there, a little bit of that like pitting marking there, but it's not wearing through, it's not rusting or anything. Down here on the lower tube, got this, again, the same little mark that we had on the other side. A little bit of rust there. Other than that, fork's looking pretty good. On this side of the tank, nothing really to report. There's one little mark right there, my finger. But again, no scratching or anything like that. I don't see any badges, so possibly the tank was painted or replaced. Motor bay, it is carbureted, so you get your choke, your fuel shutoff, got the rider peg, shift knob, there's transmission. Ooh. Do not see a rear peg on this side, which is fine because there's no rear seat. There's your single seat, things looking pretty good. There's a switch here on the side. I will admit, I do not know what that does. I don't know if there were lights on it at one time, like some underglow or something, but I don't see anything like that now. Got a little bit of, check out the springs here in the back. They look to be in pretty good shape. There's a little bit of like those rust spots inside there, but not here on the exterior spring. Coming up over the rear fender. Nothing to show, nothing bad to show. Take your solo seat, looking good. Coming up over the tank. Again, bike with 30,000 miles. It's got little scuffs here and there, but not giant scratches here in the tank. We can turn it on. And you guys can see that there is 34,869 miles. Just fire this thing up so you guys can hear it run. Off so you guys can hear me talk. Make sure the signals work here. Got rear signal on this side. Got front signal on this side. Up here and get the other ones. Got front signal on this side. And rear signal on this side. Again guys, the 2006 Harley Davidson Sportster. It's the 883. Don't forget to check out the test drive. And thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later.